Ever wondered what goes into building a website from scratch? Let's dive in. At the front end, we have HTML, CSS, and JavaScript working together like a well-oiled machine to create the visual and interactive elements you see on a website. Think of them as the architects and designers shaping the user experience. On the flip side, the back end is where the magic happens behind the scenes. Server-side languages and databases are the unsung heroes, handling data storage, processing, and ensuring everything runs smoothly. They're like the backbone of a website, supporting its functionality. Now, why is full-stack development so crucial? Well, being proficient in both front-end and back-end technologies opens up a world of possibilities. It allows you to create dynamic, responsive, and user-friendly websites that stand out in the digital landscape. Feeling the fear of missing out yet? Don't worry, you're not alone. Full-stack developers are in high demand, with companies seeking versatile professionals who can handle all aspects of web development. So seize the opportunity to master the art of full-stack development and unlock a world of career possibilities. Ready to take the next step in your web development journey? Check out Intern4Edge's internship program, where you can gain hands-on experience and kickstart your career in the tech industry. Don't miss out on this chance to level up your skills and make a real impact. Stay tuned for more web development secrets coming your way. Get ready to elevate your skills and create amazing websites that leave a lasting impression. Let's build something incredible together.